Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. So let's see what is coming up, Aquarius. We'll be picking a few cards for your general energies, guys. Few cards for your love energies, and few cards and the wisdom oracle card at last. Okay, so these are for your general energies. This is for your love energy, guys. This is what you feel or what this person feels about you and this relationship. So these two cards, one more card, three cards are for that, and this is the wisdom oracle card. We'll open at last, guys. So for your daily energies, justice in reverse, two of wands, the hierophant. Aquarius, the energy with these cards is you are in a particular situation where you need to follow certain beliefs or certain ideologies, and you are a person of authority. You have a rigid mindset about your decisions, whatever you do in life, whatever decisions you make. So you follow a particular way of doing things, and this may be rigid for people around you in your work situation or in your personal life. People may feel that you are trying to influence them because you hold that authoritative status. So all your decisions or all your actions are based on that belief or ideologies that you have, and you are a person who believes in traditions, and you have a deep knowledge about things. So only when you have that deep knowledge about anything, you give out your suggestion or views, and that is the reason that you are rigid in particular decision making situations, because you have that confidence and a conviction in what you believe, because you know the truth in depth. So uh, you are the person who what to say gives out the truth of any situation because of your knowledge. That is what these cards denote. Maybe for some of you all, you may be getting opportunities in your business or in your personal life, but you may have the things you need right now, but still you are looking for something new coming your way. You are expecting something. So that is the energy here, guys. Certain expectations are there regarding something, and maybe for some of you all, because of the position you hold, you have a certain power associated with you, and that is the reason that people may see you as a very strong headed person who does not give in for anyone's suggestions or views, and you are really powerful. That is what they see here, and that is the energy here, guys, with these cards. And maybe for some of you all, people may see you as a very rigid and severe person in your decisions today, guys. That is the energy here. Or maybe you are that way because you have the in-depth knowledge about that situation and how to do certain things. So that may be the reason that you are that way, guys. So let us see what are these cards for your love energy. Cross, whips, book. We were speaking about in-depth knowledge or revealing some secrets, maybe, in other words. So this card is exactly that, guys. You have that knowledge about things, and you are a very learned person. You know everything, or you are interested in pursuing more learning activities. You may be interested in attending some workshops. Something is there, guys. And maybe in this relationship you have a deep knowledge about this person and what are their likes, what are their dislikes, and about their past. You know everything about them. So that is what these cards denote. And maybe for some of you all, you may be into some kind of repetitive activity, uh, something health oriented, maybe, uh, like a detox diet or exercising, something good. So if it is something good, maybe you're pursuing some hobbies together. Maybe if it is something good, you can keep doing it. But if it is something negative, like drinking, smoking, something which affects your health, you need to keep a check on that, guys. You need to go in for moderation of such activities. So that is what I see here. And also you are in for some kind of deep understanding, maybe spiritually. Things are going in such a way, maybe all these days, whatever sacrifices and troubles you were facing in life, all those struggles, that unavoidable situations, whatever happened in your life's journey. So all that is for you to get understanding about your spiritual being, and making you know that purpose of your life, whatever you need to do. So you are finding comfort in some kind of belief or faith. This may also relate to your relationship. Maybe after all the struggles, you have found the person that you like, and you find a comfort and warmth in their presence in this relationship, and you trust this person. Or it may also symbolize that this relationship is a karmic one, guys. It's a destined connection. That is the reason this person is there with you at this particular time. That is the energy with these cards. So let us see what is the wisdom oracle card for you all today, guys. Poised. With this card, the energy is that, guys, you are feeling that completion in yourself because of your state today, some kind of accomplishments that you have had. You are in a position of power and confidence and determination. So whatever you need to do, you are able to do it with your power, and people are there to serve you, maybe who are working under you. Even in this relationship, this person you love, they may be looking up to you for because you are a person of confidence and courage and that determination and conviction that is there, and you are ready to face anything that comes your way right now. You are a person of wisdom and knowledge, and a new phase of your life is opening up. You are changing spiritually and emotionally. That is also the energy here, guys. And a new phase is opening up for you all, phase of growth or a phase of change. And this is a very good time to start something new in your life. If you are looking for your business expansions or something related with your work, new signing new projects, whatever it is. So this is a very good time to do that, because you are moving towards your destiny. So whatever is there waiting for you, and you are aligning yourself with the truth, your life's purpose. So all that things that are supposed to manifest will come in without much efforts, guys. So that is what the energy is here with this card, Aquarius, and that is the reading, guys. Hope you like this reading. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.